Hi, I am clliu, a professor of merchandising in the Department of Textiles, Apparel Design and Merchandising at LSU. LSU TAM department welcomes students who have passion for fashion and want to work for all sides of the industry to make people look their best. We are here working closely with students to prepare them for different careers in the fashion industry and retailing/wholesaling industry. As a fashion merchandising graduate with needed skills, you can start your career in retail buying, store management, manufacturer showroom, social media press, shop design, and styling. There are so many great jobs you can get if you go through the fashion system, from the creators and providers of raw materials and the manufacturers of products to the retailers who create and sell the products to the consumers, and the ancillary industries that support the work done by the product creators and product retailers. At the fashion retailing, wholesaling level of the fashion industry, career opportunities are in three function areas: merchandising, marketing, and management. To pursue career down the retail merchandising path, you can start as an assistant buyer, then moving up to be a buyer and a divisional merchandise manager, and finally moving up to be a general merchandise manager. Down to the management path, you can start as assistant store manager and then moving up to be a district manager or an international store manager. There are many jobs down to the marketing path. For instance, you can work as a fashion stylist. There are many stylists, and you can style business people, managing their identities and images, style people for videos and movies, or style people for weddings. You can also work as a PR director, social media director, or product or brand manager. At the field of fashion product development and production, a merchandising graduate can get a job from a manufacturer as a technical designer or a pattern maker, or from a retailer as a product development designer and moving up to be a director of product development or sourcing manager. You can also work as a colorist, textile technical designer, or quality control manager. There are many jobs in the fashion ancillary businesses. For instance, you can work as a fashion journalist or fashion blogger, vlogger. If you are interested in photography, you can also be a fashion photographer or a virtual fashion stylist. Visual merchandising area provides opportunities for fashion merchandising graduates. For instance, you can work as a visual merchandiser and then moving up to be a store design or planning director. Among all the career paths, the most desirable is retail buying path. If you do a Google search, you will find that being a buyer is now one of the most desirable positions within the fashion industry. A buyer can move up to be a divisional merchandise manager or DMM. A DMM in America makes an average salary of $129,760 per year or $62 per hour. The top 10% makes over $182,000 per year, while the bottom 10% under $92,000 per year. Overall, to prepare for a successful career, fashion merchandising graduates should have a high self-confidence and be assertive. You also need to have excellent communication skills, good computer skills, practice organization skills, in addition to learning fashion merchandising knowledge as well as obtaining sales experiences. If you want to pursue career down to the buying path, you need to have strong analytical skills and abilities which should be evidenced by high GPA in math, retail, business math, accounting, management, marketing, and business management. Besides computer skills and fashion merchandising knowledge, you also need to develop strong personnel skills, which includes strong communication skills, leadership, high degree of motivation and energy, maturity, organization skills, and problem-solving abilities. The LSU TAM merchandising program offers a broad range of courses covering the fashion system from the upstream of textiles, including fibers, fabrics, and findings, to production, distribution, and eventually to the downstream of wholesaling, retailing, and the consumer market. All the courses provide students chances to practice communication skills. The junior and the senior level core courses focus on analytical skills, leadership, and teamworking skills through group case studies and semester-long group projects. All the TAM faculty work closely with students to make sure they follow the curriculum to complete their degrees on time. In addition, TAM merchandising program provides flexibility for students to get a minor in marketing, mass communication, or business management to be more competitive in the job market. To make our students more competitive, we keep adopting new fashion technologies and build these new technologies into our curriculum. For instance, we adopted the online software of visual retailing and added a lab course of visual merchandising to teach students product range analysis, retail space planning, visual merchandising, and retail management through computer-generated 3D simulations. To allow our students to learn product development using the industry tools and procedures, our program also adopted the cutting-edge CAD software OptiText, which provides advanced digital tools to design, develop, or produce a product line in one seamless digital workflow. Our students learn and practice using OptiText in the product development course. LSU TAM department has developed a fashion technology lab, so our faculty wrote grants to compete for funding and finally were able to provide students the access to a Mimaki digital fabric printer. Using this printer, full-color print can be done in one process quickly. Our technology lab has Shima Siki design systems and the 2 flat knitting machines. The design system supports everything from planning and design, colorways, and the realistic fabric simulation to 3D virtual sampling. Shima Siki computerized flat knitting machines are the global standard of the industry, and it prints out a design directly. The TAM Fashion Technology Lab provides great resources for students to practice fashion merchandising and entrepreneurship. On behalf of the TAM merchandising faculty team, I warmly welcome you to join the LSU TAM department and pursue a bachelor degree in merchandising. We are looking forward to working with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.